Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Alom and today I am talking about Samsung Electronics. Samsung Electronics is a global brand. We all know for years Samsung has been famous for its phones, TVs and appliances. But today Samsung is focusing on something bigger, its purpose. Using the business purpose canvas, I will show you or I will explain you how Samsung is moving just selling device to helping build a better world. Their guideline vision is together for tomorrow, enabling people. This shows their goal to create a positive future for both people and planet. Okay, so today we are talking about in 8 elements. Number one, purpose statement. Number two, value chain maps. Number three, SDG impacts or impact, social and environmental trends, KPLs, customer relationships, partners, and the last one is culture. So let's start from the first one, that is purpose statement. Samsung's purpose is more than just words. Together for Tomorrow means protecting our environment, working together to save the planet. Enabling people means giving everyone the chance to grow together technologically and educationally. In 2026, this idea became their AI for All program, making sure artificial intelligence isn't just for rich or experts, but for everyone. Their aims is to help people to what they want to do or what they can do. If they use the AI or these types of technology, they can do anything in a positive way. They can do anything good for the planet. So this is their vision. So let's go for the next, that is value chain maps, curricular integration. Okay, Samsung controls most of its products from making chips and screen to final device. This help build a curricular economy. They source materials responsibly, reduce waste and reduce old device to reuse materials in new products. For example, they just trying to collect all these things from ocean. Like in everywhere there are lots of junks or lots of recycled plastic or bags we can find in ocean. So they're just trying to collect those things and try to recycle it and they try to convert it in recycling package or something like this. For example, they collect ocean plastic to make phone parts and reduce old battery materials to make new ones. Their goal is simple: keep resources in use for as long as possible instead of sending them to landfills. If we go to the next one, that is Samsung's SDG. The first SDG is SAM's SDG for quality education. Samsung focused on education for future generation. Through programs like Samsung Innovation Campus and Solve for Tomorrow, it offers free training in AI, IoT, and big data to underprivileged youth, helping them build skills and become future tech inventors. The next one is SDG 12, responsible consumption and production. Samsung is moving towards a curricular economy by reducing waste and using recycled materials like ocean, plastics, and glass in these products. It also cuts signal or single use plastic in packaging and offers 7 years of update to make phones last longer and stay out landfills. The last one is SDG 13, climate action. Samsung plans to reach net zero carbon emission by 2050 and by 2030 for one of its divisions. The company uses renewable energy in major regions and makes smart energy saving appliance to help people reduce pollution at home. And now we talk about social and environmental trends. Social trends. Rising concern about AI ethics and data privacy, pursuing companies to use trust by design, where data is safely processed on device, which I got from Samsung SDG 2025 report. On the other hand, there is also another thing that is called right to repair. People want to fix their smartphone or tablets when they own, or like they don't want to throw this in any like bin or something like this. People want to fix their own device instead of throwing them away. Samsung's now selling self repair kits worldwide. And now we will talk about Samsung KPLs, key performance indicators, and I divide in four part, that is environmental, curricular, social, operational. Environmental, they talk about 100% recycled paper backpacking or packing or package for all products by the end of 2025. Curricular, 50% of plastics used in products to contain recycled resin by 2030. Social, reach 30% female representation in leader roles globally. Operational, achieve platinum zero waste to landfill certification for all global sites. And now we talk about customer relationship, which is the most important part for every companies, including Samsung and other companies. So what Samsung actually do with their customers to connect with them? Samsung's connections with customers has changed. They aren't just a device seller anymore. They are partner in privacy and energy saving. With SmartThings, you can track your energy use at home. If you wanna track anything, you can connect with the laptop, with the smartphone. Actually, Samsung built their own ecosystem, which is controlled by you or the customers. This builds trust and shows that Samsung cares about your lifestyle and values, not just selling a product or something like this. Now we also another thing which Samsung always try to do, that is security. Today customers want strong data privacy through Samsung Knox and clear information about the environmental impact and carbon footprint of their device. Now we are going to the next topic, that is partners. Partner Samsung partnership is a very strong partnership. When they did any partnership or partnership agreement, so they did it very for long purpose. So basically, if I talk about the first one, that is supply chain. Samsung works closely with all levels of suppliers to make sure they follow fair labor rules and use responsibly sourced materials that are free from conflict minerals. Innovation partners. Samsung also teams up with Google, Microsoft to create AI technology mm, that are energy efficient and help make devices smart and more sustainable. As you can see, there are three pictures. That it means that Samsung first they make a partnership or partner agreement with the companies, and then they innovation partners, like, and they innovate anything like AI, their smartphone of products together. They research together and try to make this together. And the last one is supply chain. Samsung, they have their own very strong supply chain, and then they just make it in their factory or in the supply chain. They actually like different type of supply chains Samsung actually have. So now we talk about the culture. The last one, the culture. Yeah. The company promotes a work smart culture with flexible Fridays to improve work life balance. It supports employer resources group ERGS that celebrate diversity and inclusion and runs C-Lab, a program that helps employers develop and launch their own startup ideas. It means that Samsung always promote these types of culture that if you want to do something new or creative, they always try to promote you. They always like try to help you that like how it's happened. They also help you to research about it. And if from my old research, I got that they also invest on your plan, that if it's like sounds practical, or if it's going well, like something like technological or security related. So that's how it's work. Now we talk about conclusion. Samsung shows that having a clear purpose gives a company a real advantage. By 2026, Samsung is proving that profit and progress can go together, growing its business while also making a positive impact on people and the planet. And this is my reference list. When I researched about the Samsung technology and the Samsung electronics, I got this information. I got the information from this reference list. That's how it's worked. And thanks for attention, and thanks for watching the video.